It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Getting your windows professionally cleaned is so easy. There's absolutely no reason that you have to tolerate dirty windows. So today, Paul from Blue Ocean Window Cleaning is here to walk through the easy process. Thanks for coming in today.
Good to be here with you, Jordan.
It really is. You just came out and cleaned my windows, and I can vouch for how incredibly easy this is. But why don't you share with everyone how they get started? How do they get their windows professionally cleaned?
Well, people call, and first thing we're going to do is get all their contact information, including their email address. That's really critical a little bit later on. But once that information is gathered, we make arrangements typically to go to the home, walk around, do a window count, find out if there's particular needs that they have, take that information, create an estimate that's very comprehensive. It has all the specifics of what we'll be doing. And we'll put that together in a pricing and email it out to the customer or the potential customer and wait for a call.
And I think that's an important step because it's what lets Blue Ocean know exactly what tools they're going to need for the job, which was so crucial, and it was so easy and quick. And then when it's time for the job, the team arrives.
Exactly. Typically two of the technicians will show up. They will greet the customer, let them know what the plan is, and typically the plan is one of the gentlemen or workers will be inside, one outside, and the inside person is going to be wearing booties, protecting the furniture and floors, typically do a lot of vacuuming of the tracks, make sure they're clean, remove the screens, get them outside for cleaning, and then there's a person outside that's getting the ladder out and getting up on the higher windows and taking care of the outside cleaning.
And absolutely, both team members at my house took such care, and I think my favorite part was the vacuuming of the tracks out of the window tracks, because I, one, never realized that was a place that got so dirty, but two, it was such an extra above and beyond step that I appreciate that Blue Ocean offered. Yeah.
Well, after we wrap up, we typically ask the customer to look around, make sure everything's as you would expect, and we get signed off and head out.
Thank you so much, Paul. Get sparkling clean windows from Blue Ocean Window Cleaning today. You will be so happy you did, just like I am. You want to give them a call at 619-369-3601 to get started today.
Do you enjoy that video? Please take a moment to subscribe. When you do, you'll have full access to all of our videos, from full episodes to quick tips. It's all great information that covers everything you need to know for your home. So hit that subscribe button below and check out more videos.